Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to change out your windshield wiper. First you got to get the old one off, and see this guy's had better days. And to do that you just got to unhinge it. Like that, and hopefully it doesn't cause too many issues. It goes back like that. And now what I'm going to do is put the new one on. Okay, so now once you've taken off the old one, like this, remember there's another part right there that goes to this old one right here, right? And this new one will have the same thing. It's just a cover that goes on there. And you want to slip it on just like this. That hook goes underneath there. And then this guy right here just goes over the top like so. Push it down. Let's push it down first. You want to get it lined up. There's two little teeth in there that go into the holes, and that's really the hardest thing about doing this whole thing, is just getting it lined up. But then you push it down and it locks, and you're ready and set to go. That's how you do a windshield wiper. It takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes depending on your skill level. My skill level is basically 0, and it took me less than a minute. So it's easy. You can do it yourself. Please subscribe to my channel below if you like this video and others. There's a lot of do-it-yourself videos on our channel, and there's also cooking videos, travel videos, silly videos, fun videos, whatever. Please subscribe. That way you'll know whenever I upload more videos, more content. And if you ever need to search for something, or you need to learn how to fix something, feel free to come back to our channel. But please subscribe below. It means a lot to us. It takes you 1 second to do. It's free. Please do it. Thank you.